Essay on Deepavali in English. India is known as the land of festivals, and Diwali is one of the most popular festival of Hindus, which is celebrated with great joy and harmony. Deepavali or Diwali means the festival of lights. On this occasion, houses, shops, and streets are decorated with earthen lamps or lightning at night. It is an important and popular Hindu festival. It is celebrated all over India and the globe. Especially the kids look forward to this festival since they get to burst their favorite crackers and eat whatever they wish. The festival of Diwali takes place during the month of October or November every year. It is celebrated exactly 20 days after the festival of Vijayadashmi. While celebrating the festival, people try to follow all the rituals. Few of these are decorating the houses with candles and diyas and worshipping God Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi. Few of these are decorating the houses with candles and diyas and worshipping God Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi. This festival is celebrated by people of almost all religions. Many days before the arrival of this festival, the decoration of houses starts. Sweets are made at home and everyone buys new clothes. This festival is celebrated for 5 days. This festival runs from Dhanteras to Bhai Dooj. Lakshmi ji is worshipped on Amavasya. Prasad of Khil Batase is offered to everyone. This festival brings happiness to all life. Some people gamble on this day, which is a very bad thing for home and society. We should avoid this. Firecrackers should be used carefully. It is said that on this day Lord Sri Rama returned to Ayodhya after defeating Ravan and returned from his 14-year exile. The joy of the arrival of Lord Rama was celebrated by the people of Ayodhya by lighting diyas all over the place. Since then, every year this day is celebrated as the festival of Diwali. People still celebrate this day with the same joy. Diwali makes the locality turn into a beautiful territory. With Diwali, people wish to bring prosperity, wealth, and happiness to their families and houses, along with eating rich snacks together. Diwali is also the time to bond with your family and friends. Along with that, there is a major concern that has to be brought in light. That is, we all should try and understand the need for a Diwali free of crackers and pollution. The burning of crackers causes too much release of pollution in the air. We should not burn crackers and try to celebrate a peaceful and beautiful Diwali with our family and friends. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.